Hey loves, welcome to today's video. Make sure that parents only are watching this one. And at the end of the haul, I've got a dilemma with the Easter outfits for Landon and Presley. So make sure that you watch and let me know your thoughts. I can't wait to hear your opinion. Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a fast warning. This video is suitable for parents only. Parents only should watch this video because today I'm going to be sharing with you what is in my kids' Easter basket. So my son Landon, my little girl Presley, I'm going to go through the entire list that the Easter Bunny gave me of what I should get them for Easter this year. I asked over on my Instagram, which is @bitsofbri, if you're not following me over there, what you guys wanted to see, and the Easter basket haul video won out. So let's dive in. Make sure you click that red subscribe button while you watch if you're not already subscribed. I'm gonna start with Presley Jane's Easter basket. I always get asked where these baskets are from. The basket and the liner are from Pottery Barn Kids, and I love it. Hers is the pink one, and it has their like names monogrammed right there on the one ear. But it's a bit of an investment, but I always shop the sales, and I use them every single Easter. I'll use them the entire time that they're growing up. So I don't really mind paying for something that I feel like is really cute and personalized. So I'll start off with some of the books that I found Presley, and I got everything. I was just at Target one day and decided to get a jump on things. So I found this E is for Easter. It's a Disney alphabet book, and it kind of encourages them to trace the letters with their fingers. There's a ton of different flaps. It goes through the entire alphabet. So I loved this. I thought this was a really good book just because we're trying to teach Presley her ABCs right now. She knows the song, but we're trying to teach her like actually recognizing the letters. There is like a baby bird chirping outside of my window. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it on camera, but sorry. The next book I got her, it's another Disney themed one, but this Thumper All Ears. I just thought that was so cute. Like it goes through a bunch of different listening things with the little ears. I thought that was perfect for an Easter basket. Then I just try to get as many healthy snacks. I feel like you have to have treats in an Easter basket, but I try to get as healthy ones as possible. So I got some Goldfish, a favorite of my kiddos. I found these Veggie Spring Bunny chips. They love like any kind of veggie chips or veggie straws. So I thought these were really cute because they're like actually, I don't know if you can see, they're like shaped like little bunnies. Then Utz. This is the first time I've ever seen this, and living in Baltimore, I would see Utz stuff a lot more than I do here in Ohio. But these are called Cottontails, and they're little white cheddar cheese balls. But I thought that was really cute for an Easter Bunny themed basket. Then I found some organic, let's see, there's organic gummy bears. They're made by the brand Black Forest. Organic gummy bunnies. And then there was organic sour bunnies. So I put a pack of each of those in here. I saved the rest for my husband because he loves to eat that stuff. And then Presley, I just put an entire box of the purple Annie's like bunny fruit snacks. I feel like the Annie's, anything bunny shaped is just kind of fun to add to the Easter basket. I know my girlfriend, Micah Stopper, I watched her Easter basket haul video and saw she had a bunch of the Annie's stuff too. Then I just hit up the Target dollar spot for some other little fun things. They had this, I think they're made of like foam, play foam it says they're called, but they had a yellow peep one and a pink Easter egg one for Presley's basket. Then these Kinder Joys that's in a little egg, which I thought was appropriate. I found these glitter markers in the dollar spot. There was a coloring book. It was really cute. I feel like this is perfect for them too because they love to color, so I love just like how many different options there are in this. Let's see, this is one chocolate treat I guess they're allowed to have, but I just thought this was really neat for in the basket with the bunny ears and the Easter colors, the M&Ms. And I got a pink marshmallow peep for Presley. And Pinocchio on DVD. I feel like whether it's a holiday or birthdays, I really like getting each of the kids at least one, usually a Disney movie on DVD, just because we're such big Disney fans. If you've been following my channel, you know what Disney freaks we are. But we don't have Pinocchio yet, so I saw this one. It and I thought that this would be a good one for Presley. Then the final thing, I get this in my kids' Easter baskets every single year. If you've been following a long time, I think one of my very first videos I ever made on YouTube was an Easter basket haul for Landon's first Easter. So I've made an Easter basket haul every year since he's been born, but I always get them their swimsuits as part of just their Easter tradition to kind of get excited for summer. Because usually, especially this year with Easter being later, it's about a month until Memorial Day, and that's when most of the pools open here in the US. So I got Presley this like Clementine bathing suit. I thought that was so adorable. Look at the back, the little bow. This was from Target. Then I also got her, again, everything in the basket is from Target, but I found this strawberry. I liked this, that it was like a little bit more covered up, but still a two-piece, but with a little strawberry. She took like strawberry pictures when she was really little. My cousin took them, which I've seen so many other influencers taking strawberry pictures of their babies. So it just kind of brings back that memory, and I thought that was very sweet for the summer, haha. And then I also got just pink water shoes for going to the pool. And whether this is with bathing suit or just for summer, I got rose gold sandals as well. Oh, and that was the other thing. I'm gonna wait till I'm done with the baskets, but I figured I would share what their Easter outfits are in this video as well. So in case you have a little girl or a little boy, you can see some Easter outfit ideas too, because I feel like that's what I'm always looking for. And I got all of their Easter outfits from Target as well. Target didn't sponsor this or anything, but if you follow my channel a while, you know I'm at Target all of the time. It's just convenient, and I feel like I go in and I can kind of find everything I need. I'll put all that stuff back in there. The bunny will make sure it's cute when it's time. All right, Landon's basket. Oh, Coley's hiding over there. Do you see her? So Landon's basket, there's like some similar things to Presley's. I got either different colors or just some boy stuff. So he has like the same cottontails, the same like organic gummies. His foams though, in that Target dollar spot, there was a bunny and a carrot. So I just got him some different colored ones. He got rainbow goldfish, Presley got the princess goldfish. He got the strawberry bunny gummies. Same veggie chips. He got a white marshmallow peep. He got one of those Kinder eggs. He also got some of these glitter markers, and his coloring book is like a robot. I guess it's just like it's a bunch of different robot, looks like outer space kind of stuff. So I figured he would be into that one. I got him the same M&M thing, because you have to be fair, especially I feel like with the treats, you have to sort of be even Stevens if you have multiple kids. Then with his books though, his books are a little bit different. I got The Story of Easter. He does go to a Christian preschool, so he's already talking about this, and we've actually already read the kid version of his Bible. Just last night even, he had me read the story again, because we've been talking a lot about it. But I really like this, and obviously I can read all of these books to Landon and Presley, but this is a good one because it like really goes through the story of Jesus, just because I know he's inquisitive about it and asking a lot about it. So like I want to get some reading materials to supplement what he's asking me. He also loves Berenstain Bear books, and I've never seen this one before, but it's Easter classics. So it says that there's Berenstain Bears and the Big Question, and Berenstain Bears and the Real Easter Eggs are like the two books inside of this one. So I thought this was a good one for Easter. And his movies, his birthday is actually the day before Easter this year, because this year Easter is April 21st. He's born the 20th. So he got 2 movies. I think one of these I'm going to end up wrapping for his birthday, but it's going to be a little confusing because we're celebrating his birthday on Good Friday, which is the 19th, because my husband's side of the family is celebrating Easter on the Saturday, and then we do church and we celebrate with like my side of the family on actual Easter Sunday. So it's gonna be kind of a weird celebration for him, I feel like. So one of these will go in the basket, the other one he'll open up the night before, but his birthday party theme is gonna be incredible. So if you like decorate with me videos and party planning, I think I'm gonna do, like I'll set up the camera so you can actually see me decorate for his birthday party. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that, but it's gonna be Incredibles themed. I'm excited for that. Then his swim shoes, I got the green version, Presley's were the pink. And his 2 bathing suits then. I found this cute little plaid one, just thought was adorable, and a white striped one. He already has an all white rash guard, like long sleeved one that he wears, so I just thought that would already go perfect with these 2. Dump all this stuff in there again. I don't know why I always I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear these cute necklaces, and then they always get like tangled and bunched up and don't look cute. So sorry if that was annoying. Landon's Easter outfits. Again, these are all from Target as well. I love the Cat and Jack line. It has the cutest, most affordable kids clothes. So for his first outfit, because again, since we're celebrating Saturday and Sunday, I end up getting 2 Easter outfits. So this is like a darker chambray shirt with this really cute, it's like a blue toned plaid bow. And I'm gonna have him wear, they're almost like a blue gray, but they're very pale pants. So that will be his outfit for the first day. And Presley's outfit the first day, oh, let me show you his shoes really fast. These are the shoes, he'll just wear these both days, but I thought that was just so stinking cute for with that. And then Presley's outfit, because I like them to coordinate a little bit. How sweet is this dress? I love yellow on Presley. To me, she loves Beauty and the Beast, and it's funny because I feel like her coloring reminds me so much of Belle, because she has those brown eyes and brown hair, and I just feel like she looks really good in yellows and blues. So when I saw this with the little collar and the buttons, I just thought that was so pretty for spring into summer. But so that's why I kind of decided they can each kind of wear more like of a blue toned outfit and sort of coordinate. But here's my dilemma. So I got a couple different pairs of shoes. I don't want to keep all of them for Presley, so you need to help me. Would you do, like, these were these really sweet like bunny shoes for her. I loved those. I thought those were just fun. But I got these white shoes because she's also going to be a flower girl at the end of summer and is supposed to wear an all white dress, as long as her feet don't grow. I mean, who knows? I feel like their feet grow so fast. I thought these could be good with this dress too, and then she could double wear like the shoes with the flower girl dress. And then this is her outfit the second day. This is why I'm like in a dilemma. She picked this out. I was gonna go for pink for her the second day because Landon has like a pink shirt already that I thought would have gone really cute. But Presley saw this dress. She was in Target with me. She insisted on the blue one. She was pointing at it saying, no blue, no blue. And I love it more than honestly the one I was looking at, because it has the pink flowers, the ruffles, the back has like a really cute tie. And it's funny because when Adam saw this, he goes, that dress reminds me of like Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I don't really know why, but since she loves it and it reminds me so much of her, I was like, oh, okay. But I loved that. And these were the shoes I was just thinking, so it kind of pulled out the pops of pink. But I don't know, would you like keep on theme with like Easter and just kind of say, like I could take the other 2 shoes back honestly and just kind of say, she's little, she can wear like the cute little bunny shoes. What would you do? Bunny shoes? Or would you do like the pink shoes with this dress and the white shoes with this dress? Tell me what you think. Then Landon's outfit for the pink and blue dress, he'll wear the pink pants and then this like plaid, yeah, plaid, I think you'd say plaid, it's not really buffalo check, but plaid. It has like the pinks and the purples and the blues, but I thought that those looked really nice together, right? So kind of like the boy-girl color combos. But okay, that is the Easter basket haul, everything, what's in my kids' Easter baskets for 2019, and what our Easter outfits are for Landon and Presley. And just kind of let me know what you think as far as the shoes go, because I'm curious about that. But I hope that this was helpful and gave you some affordable ideas for Easter. Again, everything was at Target, so really hopefully won't break the bank, and you can kind of find really cute Easter outfits in a decent price range, as well as really cute goodies for Easter baskets. But I will see you in my next video. If there's any other videos you would like to see for spring on my channel, let me know that in the comments too. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.